Genesis chapter 33. After many years apart, Jacob looked up and saw his brother Esau coming towards him with 400 men. Jacob remembered how he had once cheated Esau, and fear filled his heart. He arranged his family carefully, his wives, children, and servants, so they would be safe. And then he walked ahead of them, bowing down humbly again and again as he drew near to Esau. But instead of anger, Esau ran to Jacob, hugged him tightly, and both brothers wept with joy. The years of hatred were gone in a moment of forgiveness. It was not revenge, but love that Esau carried in his heart. Then Esau looked and saw Jacob's family. One by one, the wives and children came forward. Leah with her sons, Rachel with little Joseph, and the servants with their children. All bowing in respect, Esau was amazed at how God had blessed Jacob with such a big family. Jacob tried to give Esau many gifts, flocks and herds of animals, to show his goodwill. At first, Esau said, "I already have enough, my brother." But Jacob insisted, saying, "Please take them. Seeing your face and your forgiveness is like seeing the face of God." So Esau accepted the gifts. Esau then invited Jacob to come and live with him in Seir. But Jacob, knowing his children and animals were too weak to travel fast, gently told Esau that he would follow slowly. Esau agreed and returned to his land with his men. Jacob continued on his journey peacefully and finally built a home and an altar to worship the God who had carried him through fear, guilt, and danger into peace and reconciliation.